Bonjour and welcome to the Culinary Companion. Today, we'll explore essential chef and kitchen terms to enhance your cooking knowledge. Listen up, because this is your chance to learn from the best. Stay tuned and let's get cooking. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Let's start with mise en place. It's a lovely French term meaning everything in its place. Make sure your ingredients are prepped and organized before you even think about turning on the stove. Imagine walking into your kitchen with a clear plan. You're organized, efficient, and ready to create something wonderful. Let's talk about sous vide. It's a fancy term that means cooking under vacuum. You simply seal your food in a bag, then gently cook it in a water bath at a precise temperature. This method ensures you get perfect results every single time. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meals and hello to delicious perfection. Next up, julienne. This is a delightful cutting technique where you transform vegetables into thin, elegant strips, just like matchsticks. It's perfect for stir-fries, salads, and garnishes. Take your time and enjoy the process. Precision makes all the difference. And you've got this. Remember to always keep your fingers tucked in to avoid accidents. This method not only enhances the presentation, but also ensures even cooking. Bain-marie. It may sound fancy, but it's simply a warm water bath. Perfect for those delicate dishes like custards and sauces. It's all about gentle, even heat. No scorching, no curdling, just beautifully smooth results every time. Gentle heat is crucial for dishes that can easily overcook or curdle. Think of hollandaise sauce, chocolate ganache, or even melting butter. The key is to maintain a consistent low temperature. To achieve the perfect gentle heat, use a double boiler or a bain-marie. Always keep an eye on the temperature and stir frequently to ensure even cooking. This technique ensures your delicate dishes turn out perfectly every time. Roux. It's a delightful blend of flour and fat, lovingly cooked together to create velvety sauces. It's the heart of so many cherished dishes. Master it, and your sauce will be smooth and delicious. Building a strong flavor foundation is crucial in cooking. Ingredients like onions, garlic, and celery, often referred to as aromatics, are sautéed to release their flavors. Techniques like deglazing a pan with wine or broth can add depth to your dishes. These steps create layers of flavor that elevate your cooking from simple to extraordinary. Remember, a well-built foundation is the key to a memorable meal. Deglaze. This is where you lovingly add a splash of liquid to a hot pan, dissolving all those delicious brown bits stuck to the bottom. It's like a little kitchen magic, turning those bits into a warm, flavor-packed sauce. Empapillote. This delightful method involves cooking food in a cozy, sealed pouch, usually made from parchment paper. It lovingly traps all the moisture and flavors inside, resulting in a dish that's not only delicious, but also wonderfully aromatic and heartwarming. The brigade system. At the top, the executive chef oversees the entire kitchen, ensuring quality and creativity. The sous chef assists, managing daily operations. Line cooks handle specific stations from grilling to sautéing. Each role is crucial for efficiency and harmony, creating a seamless culinary experience together. Amuse-bouche. It's a delightful, single bite-sized treat, designed to tickle your taste buds and warmly welcome you to the meal ahead. It's all about artistry and a touch of elegance. Presentation and plating are crucial in culinary arts, as they set the stage for the dining experience, making the first impression unforgettable. Confit. Imagine gently cooking food in luscious fat, often duck or pork. The result? Tender, flavorful meat that feels like a warm hug. Slow cooking breaks down tough tissues, making inexpensive cuts tender. Maintain a low, steady temperature, typically between 160 degrees Fahrenheit and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Choose cuts with good marbling like chuck roast or pork shoulder for rich flavor. Patience is key for a deeply satisfying dish. There you have it, aspiring chefs. 10 essential culinary terms to elevate your cooking game. Now, step into your kitchen and start practicing. Don't be afraid to experiment, to push your limits. Cooking is about passion, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. So go forth and conquer the culinary world. And remember, enjoy every moment of your culinary journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.